Good morning, y'all. So, gotta head over to our new property in Colfax and get it mowed. It's been a few weeks since I've been over there to mow. You saw in a previous video where I visited over there, did a little bit of work, but I have not had an opportunity to mow. So I'm trying to get my truck out of the carport, gonna get it hooked up to the trailer and head over to the property and get it mowed. So I will take y'all along for the ride. Get everything hooked up. That's good enough. Safety chains on. And hook up the trailer brakes. And something I use is this little carabiner to just hook it to the cord, and it makes for a quick attachment to the hitch system. So just something to think about. Just one of those little cheap freebie clips that you can get pretty much anywhere. Hook up the lights. Alright, let's get this thing pulled out. Alright, so got the trailer all hooked up. Gotta put something in the mailbox to send off to the architect to pay her. But anyways, got everything hooked up. Let's see if I can get this seatbelt on. There we go. I need to get a car mount for this camera, but anyways, make sure it's safe to pull out. And I've got a very short drive to the property. It's about 6 minutes, so it doesn't take that long to get there, and then I'll get unloaded. So what I'm planning to do today is I'm just going to take the ZK72, get everything mowed, and oh, look at this. I don't know if y'all can tell, but people that blow grass in the street and just leave it. Anyway, that's a whole other topic and whole other video. But anyways, gonna head over there, get the ZK72 unloaded, and I brought my extendable pole pruner. I got some low-hanging limbs that I need to get trimmed, and we'll also pull out the string trimmer and get the perimeter and stuff cleaned up and around where my other trailers are kept. There's absolutely zero cleanup work to do over there as far as debris cleanup with the blowers, like driveways and sidewalks. There's none of that to worry about over there yet, so that does help save a little bit of time. I just can mow, trim, edge, whatever, and load up and get out of there. So anyways, alrighty, I will get this show on the road and get everything unloaded here shortly. Alright, y'all, so I've already made it over to the property and got the ZK fired up, letting it warm up a few minutes. I sprayed a couple weeds here in the driveway, or what little bit of a driveway we do have, and gonna go get the chain unlocked and get everything mowed. So back here behind me, I gotta mow that little section right there, and then the property opens up and then I'll get all that mowed. So gonna get the ZK unloaded and get this party started. Alright, so like I said, I got to get the chain unlocked and get this mowed. It's a lot taller than I want it to be, and it's wet, so you all know that's not a great combination. So it's probably going to clump a little bit, and I may have to go over it twice, but it doesn't really matter. So right now it's just an open field. But anyway, let's get this knocked out. Alright, you guys, so I got the property mowed and the results is what I expected. It was super tall, super wet, so I had to raise the deck from 3 to 4 inches, went around the perimeter. That was still too low. Raised it up to 5 inches, got it mowed, and it's a rough cut, and I'm sure you could tell by the ZK behind me that the underside of the deck is probably just caked with grass. So we all know that that does not create a good vacuum, therefore it doesn't cut as well. So I'm going to come back in about 2 days, let this dry out, and drop the deck down a little bit more and get it finished cut. So let me show you the aftermath of this mower. So yeah, needless to say, it got covered. Anyways, as always, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Thanks for following along. I'm going to finish trimming this place and then get everything loaded up and get out of here. As always, hit that subscribe button, the little notification bell, so you know the next time that I upload a video. Thanks for your support. It really means the world to me. Y'all have a blessed day. Does anybody want to come help me scrape the deck on this thing? I'm not looking forward to it. We'll see y'all next time, guys. Thanks a lot.